To protect your Instagram account before it faces restrictions, start by logging in to Krosspost.ai and opening your main dashboard. From the top right menu, select the Try Kavach option to load the dashboard. Then click Connect Instagram to link your social profile. Enter your Instagram login details on the secure authorization interface and complete the login process. Once connected, hit the Run Scan Now button to trigger the behavioral algorithm. Kavach will quickly analyze your recent profile activity, response rates, and automation metrics, generating an overall safety score, along with a clear risk breakdown. Once the Kavach scan is complete, SafeSignal instantly delivers a health report, providing an overall safety score out of 100. The scan history section highlights specific risk flags, such as sudden activity spikes and low response rates, while the action list tells you exactly how to address them. You can easily switch to the risk breakdown section for a deeper analysis of severe issues, or check the Overview tab to track automated actions and daily trends, helping keep your account safe on autopilot.